Did I get ripped off on Temu? I spent $500 in the last couple months on Temu items, and I'm going to give you the top 10 and maybe a few that maybe you should stay away from. Number 10, magic erasers. You get quite a few. They're smaller, thinner, but they erase. And for what I paid, good value. Number 9, two-way tape. Kind of looks like the 3M stuff, not as sticky. Good for a pinch, but if you need something to really stick, go buy the 3M stuff. Just saying, this is cheap, and there's a reason why it's cheap. Number 8, palm ratchets. They click, they reverse, and really, there's not a lot of torque needed when you're in a spot that you need to use them. You just good, really good value for what these do. You don't need the expensive tool truck brand for that. Number 7, this kit here, can't remember what it's called, but it's a terminal kit. So say if you have to unplug a wire from a wiring harness, this will get her unplugged. There's a lot of different ones, any scenario for the price. That's a thumbs up. Number 6, solder seal butt connectors. I swear by these. I use them all the time. And on the Temu, they're really a good price, especially if you use one of those coupons. So definitely pick up some of them. Number 5, if you don't want your toolbox looking like this is a great way to start organizing. And upright wrench storage, they're great. I've got a set here. So they come in individual blocks. You build them quite easily. They snap together, and you can build as long as you need for how many wrenches, how big your drawers are. They even have earth magnets in the bottom. Stick to the toolbox. Great way to maximize space in your toolbox if you still want to be able to just reach in and grab something. Definitely. Number 4, OBD2 tester. I'll tell you, I have a more expensive one, a blue driver, which is at I think $129 right now on the Amazoni. And this one here, dirt cheap. I'll put the price on the screen because I can't remember. But this actually found codes that my more expensive blue driver didn't find and was more precise. You need one of these if you're driving anything newer than, what is it, 1995? I can't remember, but whenever OBD2 came out. So you need one of these. Number 3, great little light, has earth magnets again, has a flash, has a yellow light, also has that, a couple of settings on that, strobe. If you're broke down on the side of the highway, you can toot, 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 before you give anybody a stroke. But yeah, totally articulating, put it anywhere you want. When you can get these on a coupon, good deal. Number 2, really like this one, and it's kind of a tool that you hardly ever use, but when you need it, it's awesome. thread checker. Does your insides, your outsides, um, has all the dimensions written right on each one. And what's nice about this is you can, besides, you can get the board ones. Then how are you supposed to put that on a screw or a brake line that's on your vehicle? These are a must-have, and they're dirt cheap on the Temu. Number one, underhood light. This thing has magnets both sides, folds out any way you want, articulates, has, again, the yellow light, the white light, different brightnesses. This thing will blind you. And I don't know, if you're ever working under a car, I'll shut that off. Ever working under a car, you need light. Another thing it has is these hooky things. If you have to hook it onto something, there's one on each side. Great item. If you do any work at all, you need one of these. I actually want to get 3 more of them for my hoist. I can put them on the arms of my hoist, my 2-post, and put them anywhere I need light. Things you shouldn't buy on Temu. I bought a lot of hardware, like a spring kit. I know it's still wrapped in plastic, but it's pretty weak. Cotter pins, they're soft and mushy. I don't think you want that in your cotter pins. Yeah, right, for kids' toys and things that aren't going to cause a fiery crash on the highway. But stay away. I found a lot of their hardware. Anyways, anything that involves glue, like different tapes, like that 3M stuff, it'll get you out of a pinch, but I much prefer the 3M. And also, if you need strength, buy the name brand or a better brand. I don't know. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments if you want me to review more Temu stuff. So I'm actually going to put a Temu link. Of course, they're all affiliate links I'll be putting on, so helps the channel, helps me bring more great content to you. And that was some nice junk. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. See you next time.